In this video, you'll learn how to add offline, cross-platform, multilingual, AI-powered text-to-speech functionality to your project using the Runtime Text To Speech and Runtime Audio Importer plugins. The plugin supports over 2,800 voices across 51 languages and works entirely offline. It also integrates with other Georgie Dev plugins, including Runtime MetaHuman Lip Synchronization for real-time facial animations and full conversational AI pipelines. For this tutorial, I'm using Unreal Engine 5.8, the latest version available at the time of recording. However, you can follow along with any Unreal Engine version starting from 4.27, since the plugin supports all versions from 4.27 onward. Before we begin, make sure both the Runtime Text To Speech and Runtime Audio Importer plugins are enabled in your project. The first step is downloading a voice model. Open Project Settings, navigate to the Plugins section, and open the Runtime Text To Speech tab. For this tutorial, I'll download a couple of models to use for testing. Once a model is downloaded, you can test it directly from here.
Who ate the last chocolate cookie again?
所以要爬最後一塊巧克力餅乾起跳了。
¿Quién se comió otra vez la última galleta de chocolate?
Wer hat schon wieder den letzten Schokokeks gegessen?
Qui a encore mangé le dernier biscuit au chocolat?
من أكل آخر قطعة بسكويت بالشوكولات مرة أخرى.
You can also import your own custom-trained voice model, for example, one trained on your own voice dataset. To do this, click the Import Custom Voice Model button, where you can select the model file itself along with its configuration file. With the model set up and ready, you can now use it in your project. Next, I'll show you how to synthesize speech at runtime and play it back using the streaming approach, where audio is generated progressively in smaller chunks, significantly reducing waiting time. For testing purposes, I'll be using the level blueprint, but you can use the same nodes in any blueprint in your project. You can find all required nodes in the plugin documentation. The link is in the description. Open the Runtime Text To Speech documentation and navigate to the How to Use the Plugin tab. Scroll down to the Audio Playback section. Here you'll find two playback approaches, regular and streaming. We'll use the streaming method. Copy the nodes into your blueprint. You'll notice a few missing variables. Create them automatically by right-clicking on them and selecting the Create Variable option. Inside the Streaming Text-to-Speech function node, you can select any of the downloaded models and specify the text you want to synthesize. You can also play back the audio in any other way the engine supports. It's not limited to play sound 2D. Let's test it.
Good evening. How can I help you?
晚上好，我能为您做些什么？
Buenas noches. ¿En qué puedo ayudarle?
Guten Abend. Wie kann ich Ihnen helfen?
Bonsoir. Comment puis-je vous aider?
مساء الخير. كيف يمكنني مساعدتك؟
The plugin also includes a demo level, so you can explore the workflow using a simple UI. Open the content browser, navigate to the engine folder, then Plugins, locate the Runtime Text To Speech plugin, and open the demo folder. If you don't see it, open the content browser settings and enable both Show Engine Content and Show Plugin Content. Open the level and press play to try it out. Let's see how it works.
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 让我们看看它是如何工作的。
Veamos cómo funciona.
Mal sehen, wie es funktioniert.
Voyons comment ça fonctionne.
If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to ask on Discord. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and enjoy working with Georgie Dev plugins.